So today I will review a movie called Kung Fu Panda 3, which the third sequel to the previous Kung Fu Panda series. It tells where a panda who aspires to become a true dragon warrior until he becomes a true dragon warrior today. This third sequel tells how Po can separate from his real parents, and when a few years later they meet again. When Po was in the Panda village, warrior who didn't know where he came from named Kai wants to try finish off the dragon warriors there, aka Po himself. Initially, Kai was a friend of Master Oakley's comrade in arms. He turned evil because he wanted to have strong chi powers like Master Oakley. And finally, he finished off and assaulted all of the chi powers in the closest people from Master Oakley, even the targeted the Master Oakley too. Back to the timeline when in the Panda's village. And when the Panda village was attacked, Po and the resident of the village worked together to expel and defeat Kai so that he would not act again in the future. So the Kung Fu Panda 3 is a delightful animated film that continues the adventure of Po. The lovable panda in this installment, Po must confront a new villain named Kai, who poses a threat to both pandas and kung fu master alike. The film explores themes of self-discovery, family, and the power of teamwork, with stunning animation, heartfelt moments, and plenty humor. So the Kung Fu Panda 3 is a captivating addition to the series that will entertain audience of all age.